Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to activate XMP in BIOS on Asus. Firstly, we start your PC and repeatedly press the delete key until the BIOS screen appears. On the BIOS, if it says EZ mode at the top, press F7 to switch to advanced mode. Click on OC on the left side, then scroll down until you see DRAM settings. To enable for Intel processors, set extreme memory profile to 1, and for AMD, set processors to EXPO to enabled. Press F10, then select yes to save the settings and restart. Restart your computer. If the BIOS says it's easy mode again, press F7 to enter advanced settings. Your RAM should now be optimized with XMP or EXPO enabled, or return to default settings if disabled. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to activate UEFI mode. Firstly, turn on your Dell computer if you're using a Dell. At the Dell logo, press the F2 key repeatedly until the BIOS or UEFI screen appears. Another method, click the Start button and select Settings. Go to Update and Security, then click Recovery on the left panel. Under Advanced Startup, click on Restart Now. Select Troubleshoot, then click Advanced Options. Then select UEFI firmware settings. Now all you have to do is click restart and your computer will boot into the UEFI BIOS setup. Now you can modify BIOS settings as needed. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.